So we see in the Bible, it commands children to honor and obey their parents, highlighting it as a first commandment with a promise. If it may go well with them, and they may enjoy a long life on earth. Ephesians 6, verses 1 to 3, and Exodus 20, verses 12. Respecting parents involves obedience, gratitude, care in their old age, and avoiding mockery. Proverbs 30, verses 17, and 1 Timothy 5, verses 8. Avoiding mockery. How's that one? So, a promise backed commandment. Honoring parents is not merely advice, but a divine command. Listen in the Ten Commandments, which links to a reward for a long, blessed life. Obedience. Children are instructed to obey their parents in the Lord, which is considered right and pleasing to God. Colossians 3, verses 20, and Ephesians 6, verses 1. Honor all ages. The Hebrew word for honor, naved, means make heavy or significant, implying that parents should be treated with high value and respect, even into adulthood. Practical care. The Bible emphasizing caring for parents in 1 Timothy 5, verses 8, stating that failing to provide for one's family, including parents, is worse than not even believing in God. How's that one? Attitude and your action. Respect is shown through gratitude, listening to guidance, and avoiding disrespectful speech, even if parents are not perfect. Exceptions to obedience. While honor is always required, if a parent asks a child to do something that violates God's word, obedience to God takes precedence. That's the only time. Key scriptural preferences. Ephesians 6, verses 1 to 3, commands children to obey and honor parents for a promise of long life. Exodus 20, verses 12, the fifth commandment promising long life. Proverbs 1 to 8 encourages not forsaking a mother's teaching. Leviticus 19, verses 3 mandates respecting both mother and father. Matthew 15, verses 4, Jesus highlights the severe consequences of dishonoring your parents. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.